Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. We went ahead and got the wheels on the Mustang, the ones I've been waiting for. So, and we got new tires and all that, so we got them mounted. So here it is, I'm about to show you guys. Let me know if you guys like it. Alright guys, so those are the wheels. They're just some Shelby. I'm pretty sure they're replicas. But we got some, what are these? I already forgot. Nitto G2s, the 555. We got 295s in the back with like a 45 sidewall, so they're pretty thick. And we just got, I think, 245s in the front. They're just regular tires. And we also got the front end for the car. I'm about to show you guys. It's not painted yet, and we're missing a front grille. So let me know what you guys think about it. Alright guys, so that's the front end. I think it looks pretty sick. I'm still gonna get the bullet grill. It's just like a plain one, it doesn't have lights or anything. And we should get it painted here in a few, hopefully next week if I have time. We're gonna repaint the fenders too, because we need to blend the color. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I think it looks good with the wheels and the front end. Coming along pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll cut back once we start painting all this stuff. And after that, it's just little things, but the little things take the longest. So still gonna get a radio and all that stuff. We need to finish our door panels and coilovers. Yeah, it's still kind of a lot, but slowly getting there. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright, so we're going ahead and we're going to be installing the hood pins on the hood. They came with the hood when I got it, and the guy gave me the pins and everything. I just hadn't had time to install them. So that's what we're doing here. And we're also going to be adjusting the hood and the fender gaps, and also the headlights, because I just put everything on in a rush and I didn't really have time to adjust everything. So that's what we're doing here. And also I'm going to be deleting the the original hood latch just because the pins will be enough. So now we're adjusting the bumper and the headlights, putting everything back on. I actually had to trim the bumper a little bit to get the gap on there from the headlight to the bumper to be a little better. But everything fit up good. Here's a little clip of everything. These headlights are honestly the best you could get for this car. So if you have one of these, I recommend them. And yeah, this is the look for now. We're gonna go ahead and install the watt box next. Alright guys, so I went ahead and installed the watt box. It's a lot of wiring and it's different for every car, and this isn't really a tutorial but they have instructions if you ever want to install it. And then you gotta program it. So these are the settings. If you guys buy one, you'll just look up the instructions. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. It was kind of a short one, but we got a lot done to the car. I actually curbed one of my wheels, so I put my other spare set on the front because I'm gonna take it to go get redone. Kind of sucks, but it's alright. And let me know what you guys think of the front end and the wheels. Well, I don't have all the full set on, but you guys saw it beforehand. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next one.